coming in. The TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee has dismissed speculations about him joining the BJP, calling them baseless. He declared that even if someone beheads him, he will say Mamta Banerjee Zindabad. He also denied rumors of forming a new party, urging supporters not to believe any misinformation campaigns. Listen in.
রটিয়ে দেওয়া হচ্ছে অভিষেক বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় বিজেপিতে যাবে। আরে আমার গলা কেটে দিলে কাটা গলা থেকে মমতা ব্যানার্জি জিন্দাবাদ বেরোবে। আমি বেঈমান নই। বাজারে ছড়িয়ে দেওয়া হচ্ছে নতুন দল আসছে। বিজেপির হাতে কলকে আর তামাক খেয়ে কয়েকটা সংবাদ মাধ্যম আর দু চারটে সাংবাদিক এই কাজটা করছে।
My colleague Ritik Mandal is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Ritik, there have been several speculations that all is not well within the TMC, that there are two camps, one of Mamta Banerjee, one of Abhishek Banerjee. We've seen that happen even during the assembly elections. Is Abhishek Banerjee setting the record straight as he says that there's no question of even forming a new party?
Well, very interestingly, Mamta Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee's address, today's address was very, very significant just ahead of 2026 assembly elections, and in which Abhishek Banerjee turned down any possibility of him to join BJP. That comes days after and months after that the ongoing tu-tu-me-me between two leaderships inside the ruling dispensations. Abhishek Banerjee categorically said that there are a lot of speculation that I'm joining BJP. Those are rumors, and he said that till his last breath he will call for Mamta Banerjee, he will stand for Mamta Banerjee. Remember, today's address at Kolkata's Netaji Indoor Stadium was organized to strategize, plan for the party to defeat BJP, because both the leaders have fixed, its target for 2026 assembly election. Mamta Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee is targeting more than 215 seats, which is higher than the previous time in 2021. The TMC got over here. So very significant remark, but though we are yet to get clarification or the counter from the BJP over Abhishek Banerjee's big statement. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Ritik, thank you for joining us with all those details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.